Hi, my name is Chef Dhanbeer Monty from Dubai, and today I'm going to create a recipe for satvic moment. Key ingredients only, which is beetroot, turnips and sweet potato. Drive in the kitchen and I'll show you the process. I've got beetroot, turnips, red radish, coconut, lemon and coriander leaf powder. I just cut it then randomly. You can cut any size of this. This is a different cooking method that's healthy. Bay leaf in this, a half teaspoon of sendha namak, a bit of white pepper powder. It's really up to you if you want it or not. I want cardamom. Now, as all the vegetable is boiled and it's cooked, it's cutted, it's almost ready to go. But if you feel it's a little bit of undercooked, you can again like this in the oven for 20 minutes in the oven.
A few moments later.
Try it, really you're gonna love it. This is going to be my lunch portion. It's around 200 to 250, so 250 is a good portion for one person. Thank you for watching, and special thanks for the satvic moment. Enjoy. Happy Diwali to everybody. Enjoy, stay safe, stay blessed.